we're going to look at again. Remember, the Aussie is one of the strongest currencies that we have seen in the hierarchy, and the pound was one of the weakest. So it stands to reason we need to, and look at it. It is trying to test the all-time historical low, which is 151.38. We're only 50 pips away from that point, and if it does break that point, guys, we are looking at a major move to the downside, and we are already now in a sell signal on that. So at least you have a 50 pip move before we get to the downside. But as you can see from here, it is a heavy currency. I mean, the swings are heavy. The pound is a heavy currency. It's like the pound Swiss. So if you're going to take a trade in that, you want to be careful with it. So right now it is a short. Our stop is going to be at the market side, which is 152.21. So we're going to be shorting that from 151.80, and if we do, we're going to place our stop I'm going to place my stop right above here, which is 152.06, right there. If we have a buying point, the reason I'm reluctant on picking up a buying point is, as you can see, all those moves up, they all fail. So it gives a lot of head fakes. It's a pretty heavy currency. So we'll buy it above 152. At least we want to make sure it clears all this noise. So we're going to buy it above 152.65. And it's right there sitting at the low of the day. And we're going to give it 20 pips. Okay. And my structure short is the 151. Let me see what the structure short is. $151.38. Now if it breaks the 151.38, you're looking at real capitulation there. So this is going to be a pretty major point. You have to really keep a good eye on that, because it wants to test it. These points are like magnets. They want to test these points, so we have to keep an eye on them. So we're going to go long above the 152.60, and if we do, we're going to place our stop 52.20, about 40 points away, and my structure long is the 58.34. I can go short below 151.80. My structure short is 151.38, and my stop is the 152.06. Alright, let me stop the recording and answer the